Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with another video. Today we'll be featuring LuvMe Hair. Big shout out to LuvMe Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have a retro trend ocean wave wig. This is a 5x5 undetectable glueless closure wig. It's 24 inches. This hair, honestly, I think this is the best wig that I've ever got from LuvMe Hair ever. And it's not even a frontal. It's because the lace is truly undetectable HD. The 24 really looks like a 26. And the wave pattern is gorgeous. Like, just look at this wig. So I did post on my YouTube stories just what the wig looked like out of the box, because LuvMe Hair does offer pre-bleached, pre-plucked wigs. So I was really taken back when I took this wig out of the package. The knots were lifted. Like, so for those of you who don't like to do all of that customization, pre-style ready to wear wigs are just for you. So this wig is perfect. If you ask me, this is a vacation wig. This wig is bomb. Like, the fact that once you wet it down, the curls set. You don't even need product. Like, the hair is beautiful. So as you see it here, all I did was co-wash the hair. I didn't bleach the knots. I just co-washed it. And this hair is gorgeous. It's super full. The density has to be 180. Like, there's no way this is 150. There is so much hair, but it's not a bulky wig. As you can see, we're gonna get this wig to lay super flat. Hair has the bomb 5x5 closures that you can part down the center, you can part it down the side. Like, this is a true 5x5, and I love that. This is like the second one that I've got with this huge 5x5 closure, and I love that. It goes all the way back. Love it. The closure's bomb. So this wave, they call this a retro ocean wave, and it definitely reminds me of ocean wave. I show you how to install her with just a center part, and we did a no baby hair look. Then I will show you how to install her with a baby hair look, and then I'll add like a little cute style to her. This is a closure, but the closure is big enough that you can still do a little, you know, a little razzle dazzle with the wig. You could get creative. So we're gonna get into that, and then I'll be back to wrap it up about this wig.
If I'm so boring, what you do? Why you with
So this is the final look of this wig, and I love this. I love it. This is definitely my favorite. Their undetectable lace is truly undetectable. For this install, all I used was my wig dealer spray. You don't even have to use a spray. You could wear this as a glueless wig. But shout out to LuvMe Hair for sending over this bomb wig. Shout out to y'all for watching another video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hint now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, ain't know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. All she ever says, come and see me for once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. I've been up for 2 whole days thinking what I did to keep you going. Thumbing through the voicemails that you left me telling me what I went wrong.